Partner Randy, pag-uusapan naman natin itong tungkol sa penalties and mga consequences. At ang tanong po dyan, Sir Bong, ano yung ang magiging penalties kung late mag-file o late magbayad ng tax sa taong 2025?
Ako, marami tayong ito yung mabigat, pag hindi ka nakapag-file ng maayos, no? So, number one, yung surcharges, medyo mabigat yan, 25% kaagad yan pag may late filing, late payment, kasama yung wrong venue pala, 25% na rin yan, no? Oo. Tapos yung interest natin, kinukompute yan 12% per annum based on the new train law, no? Tsaka yung compromise penalty. So, meron namang tinatawag na range yung compromise penalties, no? For some minor violation, for example, hindi ka nakapag-file, yung iba, they'll accept the 1,000 pesos. Yung iba naman, 5,000 pesos. Pero kung substantial yung amount, between 10,000 to 50,000 yan yung compromise penalty natin.